Hello guys. I'm on my another lab. So what is the purpose of this lab is that we have a scenario that there is a user who every time who starts his instance and stop the instance, the public IP address reassigns. So he want a way whenever he start the instance and stop the instance, that public IP address remains same. So we are going to configure the steps in this lab, how we can keep the public IP address as same. So I am launching an instance here. So the name would be test instance. After that I am choosing the machine image as Amazon AMI2. After that I am using instance type as T3 micro. Then again keep here I am choosing as walk key, and now I am going to configure the network settings. Click on edit, and after that I am choosing VPC as lab VPC. I am already pre-configured it, that's why I am choosing a lab VPC, and after that I am choosing the subnet as public subnet 1, and I am auto assigning the public IP address and clicking on the enable. Now I am going to edit the security groups, and I am selecting existing groups. And now I am choosing as Linux instance 5G for my lab, and I am keeping my storage as same. 8 GB is good for this lab. Now launch this instance. So it is successfully launched. Let's go to the instance and check it is successfully launched. Now check. Yes, see, this test instance is launched and running. So I am clicking on this and copying the public IP address and saving into my notepad. Now I am stopping this, and after restarting the instance, again I will copy the public IP address and check whether it is same or not. See, it got successfully stopped, and now I am starting it again. See, it is running, and copy this public address. Go to the notepad and save this. You can find that both of this public address is different. Now what we will do is we will make this public address as same. Now go how we can go through this. In the search bar, search for network and security, and click on Elastic IP, associate Elastic. Now keep it as default and allocate it. Copy this IP address and save in the notepad. This is Elastic IP address. We are going to assign this as our public IP address. Now click on action, go to the Elastic IP address, and we have created this one 163, this one, and we are going to associate this IP address to our instance. Select the instance from here and click on this checkbox, allow this IP address to be reassociated, and click on associate. So this got associated. Now go to the EC2 dashboard and click on the test instance and check. Copy this public address and paste it here. See, this public address is same as this elastic IP address. So that means we have successfully make our public address as permanent address. Now we can cross check it by stopping this instance and after restarting it. So the instance got stopped and I am again starting it. Let's wait till it comes in the running state. See, it is in running state and I am copying the public IP and typing here. See, these both are same as EIP. So that means that our target will be achieved and we have successfully assigned permanent IP address to our instance. Thank you everyone.